Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Sheetal Nanavati and I'm back with a new review video. I'm going to review a baby cradle of R4 Rabbit brand today. This cradle is auto swing cradle and it comes with multiple functions. So I will start by showing you all the parts of this product and how it works, and I'll also share my experience in using it. So let's get started. This is the place where I keep my baby's cradle, exactly next to my bed. This is the color of my cradle, baby's cradle. So it comes in three different colors. One is the creamish color, one is pink color, and another is blue color. This cradle can be operated either by the adapter, you can see that side, or by battery. 4 cells are used in this cradle. This part is the control part and different buttons are given here which plays different functions. This is the on off button. I have switched on the cradle now. This is the speed button. So this cradle comes with 5 speed levels. Alright, so this is speed number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is the minimum speed and 5 is the maximum speed, and the cradle has started moving. This is the timer button. So there are 3 timer slots. One is of 15 minutes, second is of 30 minutes, and third is of 45 minutes. 2 different sound buttons are provided here. This gives 8 different soothing musical sounds and it gives 8 different nature sounds. It also has provided 2 buttons wherein you can increase the volume of the sound and decrease the volume of the sound. So this way I have put on the cradle, and this is one of the music from left side button, and this is the nature sound. So this way you can operate this cradle and allow your baby to sleep peacefully. Let us now discuss all the parts of this cradle. This is canopy. Half of this part is covered with cloth and half of it is covered with net. So this will prevent baby from mosquitoes, and this will allow baby to sleep peacefully because there will be no direct light coming on baby's face. So this is the canopy. You can detach this canopy from here, and elastic is also provided, so it is very easy to remove it. Alright, so this way if you want the cloth to be this side, you can do it as well. So this is how the canopy looks like. I forgot to tell you that even the remote is also provided so that you can operate it from anywhere around this cradle, and it has given all the options. Speed option is given, and the timer is also given in this remote. So this is how the remote looks like. The pillow is given. It is very flat. It's not so bulky. I have not used this pillow. I have bought separate pillow for my baby. But this is what I have received. Now you can see this is the bed part. Alright. So a very thin cushion is provided here in this bed, and it is detachable. Each and every part of this cradle is detachable. You can remove it, wash it, and place it back. This part, that is this cloth, cannot be removed. This gets removed with these rods. So these 2 rods and this part gets removed, and you have to wash it and then place it back. Alright, so I was talking about the bed. So the bed is detachable, and 2 cardboards are provided in this bed. I will remove one cardboard. We can say plywood as well. It's very thin. So you can remove it, clean it, and insert it back. So this is how you can stick it and turn it and then put it back again in the cradle. During rainy season, in my cradle on this plywood I found some fungus. Then later on I got to know that because of the moisture in the room, it saturated fungus on this. So my suggestion is keep on checking your cradle every week. So this bed is very thin according to me, so I have bought a separate bed to provide a good cushioning. I'll show you the bed that I have used for this cradle. Initially when my baby was around 1 to 2 months, you can see the cradle is very huge, and the baby size, the newborn baby size is this much. So my baby was shifting from this side to other side. So what I had to do is I have to place so many things around it so that my baby will not move. So after 3 months, I didn't find any difficulty in using this cradle. This is the weight that I have used in this cradle. In this way I used to place it, and the pillows are also provided along with this bed, and I place it to both the sides and my baby easily sleeps in between this part. Alright, so this bed I have bought it from the local market, and it cost around 500 to 600. I will share one more experience. My baby was around 7 months and she just learned sitting. So she was sleeping inside this cradle, and all of a sudden she woke up and she opened this canopy. This canopy can be easily opened because it has an elastic, and this cradle is very lightweight. She gave force to both the sides and she was trying to come out of this cradle. All of a sudden I saw it and I stopped using it. I stopped using it in my absence. When I keep her inside this cradle, I always make sure that I'm present with her. And this is my suggestion: if your baby knows how to sit, how to crawl and walk, please be present in the room, because they will anyhow manage to open this canopy and try to come out from this cradle. This product is available in 3 different colors. The one that I'm using is cremish, second is pink, and third one is blue color. The actual MRP of this product is 10,998 rupees. But you will get a bit of discounts on all the websites because it's a costlier product. This product is available on Amazon, Flipkart, First Try, R4Rabbit and similar websites. If you want, I will mention the product link in the description for your quick access. So if you think that this video was really helpful, so please click on the like button, share it with the parents and subscribe to my channel if you have not done it before. So thank you so much for your time and happy parenting.